How could we grow trees on Mars? Imagine a future where lush green trees sway under a bright blue sky on Mars. It sounds like a scene from a science fiction movie, but scientists are exploring how to make this happen. Growing trees on Mars involves solving some tough environmental puzzles. Mars has a thin, cold atmosphere made mostly of carbon dioxide, with average temperatures around -60 degrees Celsius. The soil there is full of toxic chemicals like perchlorates and lacks the nutrients needed for plants to grow. To start, we need to change the environment or create protected spaces where trees can thrive. One major step is to modify the atmosphere. We need to make it thicker and warmer, more like Earth's. This can be done by releasing greenhouse gases to trap heat. For example, vaporizing frozen carbon dioxide or water trapped in the soil and polar ice caps could help build a thicker atmosphere that keeps heat in. As the planet warms, it could become possible for hardy plants and trees to survive outside of sealed habitats. Next, the soil must be prepared. Martian soil contains chemicals harmful to plants, so removing or neutralizing these toxins is essential. Scientists are working on ways to treat the soil with microbes or add nutrients to make it suitable for roots. In the beginning, trees would likely grow inside controlled greenhouses or biospheres where temperature, pressure, and soil conditions are carefully managed. These habitats would simulate Earth-like conditions, providing the right environment for growth. Because of the low pressure and lack of liquid water on the surface, early tree growth would depend on sealed environments. These habitats would supply enough air pressure, humidity, and warmth. Over time, as the atmosphere thickens and the environment improves, outdoor planting could become a possibility. Choosing or even engineering trees that can handle extreme conditions is another key step. Trees that tolerate cold, high radiation, and limited water are being studied on Earth in extreme environments like high-altitude regions. These hardy species could be the first to grow on Mars. Growing trees on Mars is part of a long-term plan to transform the planet. Trees would produce oxygen through photosynthesis and help improve soil quality. This creates a cycle that makes Mars more Earth-like over many decades or even centuries. The process involves gradually increasing atmospheric pressure, building habitats, and introducing resilient plants. In the end, making trees grow on Mars means taking many small steps. We need to warm the planet, prepare the soil, build safe habitats, and select the right plants. This approach fits into larger plans for Mars exploration and future missions, where understanding how to support plant life is vital for human settlement and planetary change.